Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do some purple highlights using the Colorista by L'Oreal. I previously did, I think last year, I used the pink one, and I actually did ombre highlights with my hair, which was really super cute and I really liked it. So I thought I've actually been wanting to color my hair pink, like pink ombre, but I've been afraid. So anyways, I thought since I've done pink before, I've actually done it twice, I'd use purple. So if you want to see how I create some purple highlights, then just keep watching. Okay, so I haven't done this before, so I think what I'm going to do is maybe kind of split my hair a little bit. And so this is the first time that I'm doing this kind of this way. So I'm just going to split my hair a little bit and use a clip to hold it up. And I have a mirror right here, so if you see me looking down, it's trying to see what I'm doing. And then also you want to get a towel, and because you don't want the color, although it washes out, you don't want it on your clothes. So I'm just getting a towel, or you could, if you want to put on your robe or whatever, you can also do that. I'm going to take off my earrings really quickly, and this stuff, you just shake it up. So this is one day color, and what I found previously is that it will actually last you a couple days. It'll fade each day, or if you just want to wear it for one day and then wash it out, it absolutely washes out with no residue left. But like tomorrow I'll still have purple, but it'll be faded. So yeah, so this is just a fun way to get color. It's usually $9.99 for this bottle, and yeah, and no fear of commitment. So shake it up first, and then we'll start spraying. Okay, my towel is falling. All right, let's try this first. All right. So let's see, can you see that? So let's see. So I want to do it like highlights. So I'm going to spray it right there. Let's see. Okay, so what this is going to show up on my highlighted hair. So these don't necessarily work on dark hair. So I just thought I'd let you know that. Oh, see that? That is pretty. So let me, I think it works better if you just do it while your hair, oh yeah, while your hair is laying down. So I'll do that, and then I'll try to take some pictures so you can see it that way. And we're going to do some highlights here. Trying to find my more blonde pieces so you can see the purple better. And I'll try to do it there. Okay, so we'll bring this hair down. I only put it in 2 sections because yeah, we're just doing highlights. We're not doing the whole thing. So here, and let's see, we want to do it in front because we want to see it, right? Cute. Okay, we'll do the other front piece. Let's do this over here. Okay. do, I'm gonna put these together so we can, because I feel like this is my whole front piece. Ooh. So, just see that. Okay. And then we'll go back to this side. Let's see. We'll spray this right here. Okay. Okay, towel is falling again. I feel like on camera, it doesn't show as much as the pink does. The pink shows up right away, but if I go in so you can see it. That's pretty. See that? It's really pretty. All right, I think I'll do more here. Ooh. Gosh, I wish it showed up better on camera. Okay, I just need to check the back and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I just put a couple highlights here in the back and it is so cute. I'm gonna move forward a little bit so you can see the color in my ring light. I tried to fix my lighting just to see where it looks better, but yeah, I couldn't do that. So yeah, this is the purple color. I think it looks really cute, fun. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cell phone outside and see if we can get a better look at this color. So if it doesn't work, then this will be the end of the video. But if not, you'll see it outside. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps my videos be seen by other people. All right, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like outside. The sun is setting, unfortunately. So this is the best lighting that I have right now. But here, I know you can see it like on the outside because that's where the sun is. But let's see if I can turn this way. You see that? So yeah, purple hair, don't care.